Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable Video-Toolbox on YouTube if you are using MIUI or HyperOS. So Video-Toolbox is enabled by default on MI Video, but if you want to enable this on YouTube, here's how to do that. Go to your settings, scroll down and click on additional settings. Now go to floating windows, click on sidebar. Now enable Video-Toolbox. Scroll down a little bit and click on manage video apps. Here you can now enable YouTube. If you have other apps that are video players you want to enable, you can enable that if you want. Now let us go back and go to YouTube. You can see we now have the Video-Toolbox. From here you can change the picture mode, change the style to vibrant or HDR, and also open a floating window while you are watching videos. So that's how you enable Video-Toolbox on YouTube in MIUI or HyperOS. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.